Did you know that you can make fluffy idlis using oats? Yes, you heard that right. Let's discover how. In today's video, you are going to learn how to whip up some easy oats idli that pairs perfectly with a delicious tomato pachadi. Trust me, this combo is not just healthy but absolutely tasty too. For our oats idli, you are going to need a cup of dry roasted oats, a cup of suji, a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of baking powder, and a cup of yogurt. That's all. Now give a good mix to remove all the lumps. Traditional idli recipes can be pretty time consuming and complicated, right? But guess what? We are here to simplify that. So if you have been avoiding making these idlis because of the hassle, this easy oats idli recipe is going to change the game for you with just few ingredients. Use water gradually and look at the consistency. Make sure to achieve this type of consistency and rest it for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now grease the idli pot and start pouring batter into it. Steam for about 15 to 20 minutes. Now till the time our idlis are getting ready, let's quickly make our tomato chutney. Add 1/4 teaspoon of fenugreek seeds, a tablespoon of coriander seeds, 6 roughly chopped tomatoes, 4 garlic cloves, 5 green chilies, a piece of tamarind, fresh coriander leaves, few mint leaves, turmeric powder and a salt to taste. Quickly cook them until they turn soft and mushy. Let it cool down and blend it. Now transfer it into another bowl for tempering with a 2 teaspoon of jaggery powder. Now for tempering, heat up a tablespoon of oil and add in chana dal, urad dal, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, 5 red chilies, a pinch of hing and curry leaves. Once it is done, pour it onto the ground tomato chutney and that's it. Once the idlis are done, gently remove them from the molds. Serve them hot with a fresh tomato pachadi on the side. We have successfully made a healthy and easy dish that anyone can try at home. It's perfect for breakfast or even a light snack. Plus, it's a fantastic way to incorporate oats into your diet without feeling like you are missing out. If you enjoyed this recipe, please leave a comment down below and let me know how yours turned out. And don't forget to check out my other videos for more delicious recipes. Thanks for watching and happy cooking!